Hey, what's going on, guys? I thought I'd just make a quick update as to what's going on with my 240, since me and Zane been talking about it, but like without actually showing you what we've been doing. So I just want to, show you guys what's happening. This is my head. It's completely resurfaced. Yeah, it's completely resurfaced. That's about it. There was some, I don't know if we showed you previously, but there was some like really bad scuffs inside the valves. Took out all brand new ones. Pulled the motor out of my car. Did the EGR delete. Took some vacuum lines off. The things I don't need. I'm gonna keep the heater on there just cause I need a heater. It's cold where I live. We also took out the transmission. I got the transmission laying down right here. We took it out because we had that issue that it wouldn't go into gear. So we're taking off. I still haven't done it yet. I'm about to do it now. Taking off the clutch and the pressure plate to see if the flywheel's put on all the way. Now we're gonna put it on all the way correctly. We're gonna use Loctite this time. We used Loctite the first time, but I don't think we did it after that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. What I'm doing isn't too hard right now. I'm taking out the AC. That's whatever that is. I forgot the name. But yeah, doing AC delete. I still have all the AC stuff actually inside the engine bay. Emissions delete, charcoal canister delete. I'm gonna do all that stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video about it just because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. It's just me kind of guessing, and I don't want to make a video about it if I'm not 100% sure, because I don't want you guys to mess up on yours. But since the engine's out, I am definitely gonna clean it because, like, it's filthy. Like, it's so gross. It's crazy. I might as well just replace all the gaskets too. I mean, I got a full head gasket rebuild kit, but I need to get like an oil pan gasket maybe because it looks like it's leaking really bad. For the intake so far, I deleted the little butterflies that were in here. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but there's like little butterflies in there. I deleted those. You don't really need that. You get more airflow without them anyways. I'm going to clean it up better. I cleaned it up a little bit, just some degreaser. Spray some degreaser on it. Covered up everything that needs to be covered up. In here, like right there, it's really filthy. Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, that's still all gunky and nasty. There's the EGR. So I'm just gonna cut that off, put a blocking plate on that, and then where it goes to the exhaust manifold, I'm gonna cut it off right there too. Weld that shut there. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but weld that shut. Charcoal canister, this guy right here. I'm gonna delete that too. I already took most of the lines off from the actual motor itself. Then everything that has to do with the AC, like AC line down there, and that guy. So for the transmission, I honestly have no idea. I think transmission's fine. I think there's a little bit of shaft play, not much. Actually, no, there's not shaft play, barely any. Oh, a little left to right. But I don't think the transmission's bad. When I took all the fluid out, there's no metal shavings in there, so that was good. So it could be that the flywheel's not put on all the way, or the clutch. I was doing some research. A lot of people said that it could be the fact that the clutch pedal, here I'll show you actually, that the clutch pedal on the master cylinder isn't aligned. Actually, I can't get in that, that's too tight. But the clutch pedal isn't aligned correctly, and it's pushing the throwout bearing way too far or something like that, or not pushing it far enough. I forgot what they said, something along the lines of that. But when you push the clutch in, the throwout bearing is going too far or not far enough. But yeah, so I'm gonna figure that out. Yeah, I mean, I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna all the little pulleys off the front, because I'm doing the timing. I mean, might as well since I got everything out here. I'm just gonna take everything off the front, like the clutch fan, alternator, that crankshaft pulley. I mean, I took the power steering pulley off, but I'm putting that back on. Definitely want power steering for when I drive. It's a lot easier, not that hard. I'm gonna attempt, or I'm just gonna have some guy do my timing, just because I don't want to mess it up. Since I did all this work to get it to look like this. I mean, I didn't do any work right now, but like, I took it all the way out and everything, and I don't want to put it back in just so it can be, mistimed or not timed correctly. So I'm just gonna pay someone to do that. I'm definitely gonna clean up the whole engine. Like, absolutely filthy. It's disgusting. You know, looks like most of it is leaking out the front timing cover. We'll see though. We'll see. I've been working on this for 4 days now. This is the 4th day. Yesterday I didn't really work on it, but the other days I was cleaning the intake manifold, taking the AC stuff off. I cleaned the engine bay a little bit, but then it started raining, so I stopped cleaning it. And then I started getting all the gaskets together. Yeah, today what I want to do is I want to clean, but I'm going to clean the head of the motor so it's nice, clean, and flat. But before I do that, I'm going to want to tape off all the cylinders so nothing falls in there, like no junk falls in the combustion chamber. I would not like that. Motor would not like that. So I'm going to tape that off. And after I tape that off, I'm going to start cleaning it. Not going to sand it because I don't want to, you know, make one side too deep than the other. So I'm just going to grab like the back side of a sponge just to, you know, clean it up a bit, make the surface nice. Let's get started. Right now I'm just going to clean all the loose dirt off with a microfiber towel, just so I have something to stick the tape onto. There was some flash rust on here from when I did leave the head out of the motor. Because I did leave the motor in the car for a long time without the head. I had the hood closed, of course, but it still got some moisture in there. Nothing crazy. I think you guys saw. I'm not able to wipe it away with the microfiber cloth. It's all gone now. As you can see, those are the water spots. But it's about to wipe away like those ones. That one had it too, but now they're gone. See, it wiped away pretty nicely. I thought I had to use the back of the sponge, but I don't. So there's that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That was quick. A lot quicker than I expected. It turned out a lot better than I expected. I was just trying to clean up some of the loose dirt, but it actually cleaned it up really nicely. As you can tell, there's no more rust in there. Looks good. You know, good enough for me. Now what I'm gonna do, since I cleaned that up, I'm gonna take all the stuff off the front of the engine so I can start cleaning that up a little bit. Make sure all that gunk is gone. Like, look at the alternator, it's just coated in grease, bro. It's disgusting. Here too, it definitely looks like the front timing cover is leaking, but it's okay, we'll fix that. I'm gonna fix every leak, make sure it's not leaking out of nowhere. I don't want to put this engine back in there all leaking. As for the engine bay, I think I'm going to, I don't know if I'm painting it now or later. Actually, I might as well just paint it now. I'll probably end up painting it soon, just because, I mean, I already got the engine and tranny out of there. It's a lot easier to clean. I guess I can do another video on me taking off all this stuff. But this was just a quick little update as to what's going on in the 240. You know, why me and Zane haven't been, well, why we haven't shredded yet. Like, with all the drift events we've gone to, it's just him and his 240. So that's because mine's kind of stuck right now. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. But for sure, this year, me and Zane are going to be banging doors side to side. I've never done tandems before, so of course I'm I'm a little scared, but you know, whatever happens, I don't care. It's just a little drift car anyways. Yeah, so if you guys like this kind of stuff, you know, awesome, you know. I really been wanting to post more, I don't have anything to post. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick update about my 240. If you want a drift car, buy 350. Probably won't break on ya. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Like the video. Subscribe to see more stuff like this. You know what? I think I should have liked that post that says, like this post for 10 years of good luck. I ignored it, and that's probably, you know, what happened. It makes 100% sense in my head. Anyways, see you guys later.